The first thing we should do before we put that on the music is to have enough materials in our pockets. Whenever we master that, we can focus on the musicality and try to put our variation on the music. Yes? So you can practice that at home, and after you practice your ear, musical structure, you'll have time. If you never heard about the musical structure, you can ask your teacher, and they will explain to you how it works. Yeah, hopefully.
So we went through the families of just the solo variations. We talked at the very beginning that there's two different types.
Right. Two different big families.
That we have solo variations that you do on your own that don't affect your partner, and you have led variations where the leaders are going to lead accents to the follower. We talked about just the solo ones like that. It's easier for both the leaders and the followers to kind of try things out. So in our 5 families of our solo variations, we started with the touches. So we had touch, step, or we used it with a key, which was the delayed step that we saw with a bunch of different families, how we can make it work.
So the goal was to do a variation on the count number 1, 3, 5 of your basic. So we did triple step with the delayed step 1 and 2, touch 3, 4, 5, 6. For the exercise, we made you practice on almost every count, every 1, 3, 5 in a row. Technically, in reality, we won't do it in a row. Otherwise, that's bachata. Imagine 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a lot of touches. That's why we like to do sometimes triple step. Sometimes we just do on the 3. We keep this, or on the 5. She does it on the 3, and I do it on the 5.
And you can see that it interchanges because it's not led. He can do it at one point, I do it at another. We don't affect each other. That was for the touch family. We said that the cousins of that could be kicks, could be knees, things like that have that same technique of the touch, how we're not moving, then we move. From there we moved into the second family, which was the slides, or the drags. That was a little harder. We talked about we could do step on 2, drag on 3, step on 4, drag on 5, step on 6.
Or we step on 3 and drag at the same time.
3, 4, 5, 6. It depends on the pattern that we're on, and especially for the followers, if we need to travel or not. So on the sugar push,
we'll start on the push.
1, 2, drag, step, pretty stationary. Then on the left side pass, we saw that the followers needed to
1, 2,
jump
4,
into it,
5,
and a triple step
6. Yes, same for the underarm turn for the leaders. 1, 2, jump on 3, collect 4, 5, and 6.
Yeah? Then we talked about the delayed step, how we can do it. We need to anticipate, triple step 5, and open on the 6. Like that we can drag, collect 1 and 2, 3 and 4.
So anticipation.
5 and open, 1
Do not exaggerate.
3 and 4. We don't want you to change the slot. Remember, in the end, it shouldn't affect your leader or follower. From there, we moved on to number 3, which was the rondes. We have back to front and front to back on 2 legs.
And we have the second keys, which is the syncopation, the acceleration, to make the ronde work. So we have, yes, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. So we create the syncopation to make it work. We can do on 3 and 5 as well. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, and we can also do it on the count number 1, but we have to anticipate for the followers. 5
back and
6
cross.
to do 1 and 2, 3, and 4.
Followers, you can add it on the 3 sometimes. I didn't show you, but it's possible on a cutoff. 1, 2, acceleration, 3, 4.
Yeah, we talked about the ronde, hard on the count number 3 for the followers, not impossible.
Yeah, not impossible. That's the one place we can do it. We like to do it at the end of rotations, on the tuck, outside turns, things like that. Moving on, 4th one was our moving stops, or our slow motion, or our moving pauses, whatever you want to call them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, or on the count number 5, like she did from 2, 5, 6, and 1.
Hard to do it on the count number 1. So we're going to try and avoid it on the count number 1. That was that. Number 5 was for the leaders to practice at home.
Rotations.
Rotations, Maxime will give you a couple that you can practice.
So you have one direction of the other one on the triple step, or that could be triple step. You have the options of going left or right. You have the option of doing a triple step or to stay on one foot. It's possible too.
Yeah. We'll try and do it quickly with music before Pio gets mad at me because it's already 1 o'clock.
Yeah, we talked about the musical structure. 8 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Accent on the count number 1. Falls on your 1, 3, 5 of your basic. That's why we need the variation. So if we hear 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna wait until it's more interesting. 1, 2,